I need to make someone very special, a birthday card today. If you've watched GardenFork in the past, you know I love printing and I make little cards and stuff. And yet again, it's somebody special's birthday and I'm not good at buying gifts. I mean, what do you buy a person that is hard to buy for? You make them a homemade birthday card and they're as happy as they can ever be, right? So today on GardenFork, a birthday card for someone very special. I'm gonna try a new technique this time. So let's try this, see what happens. GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. So my goal here is I would love to be able to get an image of Charlie Pup on a birthday card. And I use that lino block printing. Am I that boring? And I'm thinking, how can I do this? Because I'm not very good at drawing, but I love using the computer, but I also love analog printing. And I'm thinking, how can I get a good picture of Charlie Pup onto a card that I could trace? So let's go up to the computer real quick. Maybe we could find a picture of you. What do you think? Can I have a kiss Charlie Pup? She's not a big kisser. So much like your family, tons of Labrador pictures on the computer here. I want to find one that maybe is like profile or would be easy to transfer onto the carving block here. So let's take a little roll through Labrador land. The best part of this office is right there. Hey, you. So to get this image onto here, so we can make something like this, you need a specific kind of carving block. I'll link below to that. This, is best as a toner print, ink toner, rather than ink jet. So you could have this printed out at a photocopy store. I have a black and white toner printer. It is fantastic. The inks don't jam. Well, I'll link to that below as well. Super great, just black and white printer, boom, done. Make this. Oh, and we did a previous video about printing on wood, specifically using black and white toner. This link will be at the end of the video. Stick around to the end, show you how to do this. So to transfer this image, oh, is that in the picture? Believe it or not, the instructions that come with this special carving block, iron on. Who knew? Make sure the steam is turned off. I don't know how long to do this, so I've got it set on 3, no steam. This is kind of like watching paint dry, isn't it? There's just a certain aha that I love about simple stuff like, who knew you could use an iron to transfer black and white laser toner onto something, but let's see what happens. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we went from this to that in what, a couple minutes? This is all sorts of ideas now. I have all sorts of ideas of what we can do with this now. But first we have to make that special someone the birthday card because her birthday's today and I'm gonna see her tonight. I'm gonna start out with a number 3 on our cutting tool. Fairly deep, go around the image. Put the collar in here. Draw in the nose. Not quite sure how to do this. How's that? Ooh, that looks weird. Oh, that looks really weird. Uh-oh. I have a smaller tip on my blade now, and I'm gonna try and cut in some little whisker holes. it looks a little weird, but I'm gonna go for it because it's really, I want it to look good, but sometimes you just have to go with it. I mean, it is what it is. It's not rocket science. We're not going to the mood. We're making a birthday card for someone that we love. And I think the fact that we made the effort to do this, I get an A for effort, right? Now I've got my super wide cutter. This is kind of the Eric signature. I'm gonna cut out all this background material with my tool here. All right, well, that's a thing. Tea, ink, printing. We went from this to this. How cool is that? Your loved one will love one of these. It's not perfect, but it's beautiful. You made it yourself. They're gonna love that, and it's easy to do. And if you wanna make one on wood, there's a video right over here you can click on to go even farther with this. I love this kind of thing. Let me know if you do too. Do you make these? Tell me your stories, I wanna hear them. I'll see you in the next video.